Good morning. Solo Traveler here. Today is Sunday, September 6th. Today is packing day. Now, normally I pack at night because normally I take a red eye. Things aren't normal at the moment. Labor Day weekend is very busy where I work. Well, let's just say it. I work at Universal Studios. At Universal, I have a choice between two shows, the special effects show or the fireworks show. Special effects show is done predominantly during the day, so on Labor Day I always take that one. In that show, I light a guy on fire and put him out as part of a special effects demonstration. That's in addition to standard duties of a stagehand, which pretty much is I push stuff around on stage. I usually don't say stuff. Or I can do the fireworks show at night. So on Monday, on Labor Day, I usually choose to do the special effects show. I usually get home about 7 o'clock or so, and that's when I pack. I leave the apartment at roughly 8 o'clock for usually a 10:30 or 11 o'clock flight. I like taking the red eye. It gets me into Orlando at 6 a.m. roughly. Get my day started. Well, things are a little different. They moved my flight. I'm now leaving first thing tomorrow morning. My flight leaves at 10 a.m. So I'm going to pack today. It is stupid hot here in Los Angeles. It is 8 o'clock in the morning and it's already 99 degrees out here. Predicted to go up to about 114 right here in Hollywood. We got up to 108 yesterday. So it's gonna be a hot one as I pack up. So I'm just gonna take my time today, and I have a few things I need to do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is weigh myself. We'll see just how much I gain this week at Disney World. Second thing I'm going to do is make my Dunkin' Donuts coffee pods. I'm using this new signature coffee from Dunkin'. Never tried it before. Bought it yesterday. We'll see how this works out. At some point today, I am going to switch out the puck in my Magic Band. I'm going to take the newer puck and put it into this Beauty and the Beast one that I like. Anyway, here we go. Packing for Walt Disney World. And a stay at Pop Century. What a day this has been. It is a couple hours later. It's 4:30 now. I've been doing just various things around the house. I folded all my shirts. Sort of gathered everything together, little by little. You know, just it's too hot to do anything today. I got fans going. Went away here in Hollywood. I think I'm going to face this fan towards me. Okay, so we're starting the packing. I start with socks and underwear. So the socks fill up these areas and leave a little cushion along the bottom and a little bit along the edges. And then
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
and 7 pair of underwear. Actually, before that, I want to put in a few of my electronic stuff. This is a little adapter for my iPhone. Then we'll put on a couple of t-shirts. We'll grab the shirts. Now, this is what I did earlier. I did fold these all up. Now, this is where I will use some bubble wrap. Put bubble wrap right at the bottom here. Then I can put the laptop up against that bubble wrap. A couple more electronic things. I've got my little speaker. This is always nice when I want to listen to a bubbly. I want to listen to podcasts or some of my own music. So I got these waterproof socks. I bought them for my last year's September trip when I went during the hurricane. Well, of course, the hurricane bypassed Florida and left us with, half a day, a lot of rain, and then very little rain for the rest of that trip. This one I think is going to be a typical September with a lot. Should get use out of this. Okay, I got the electronics in there. Yeah, we're right down to it. So now comes the really important thing. Got my little cigar caddy here. This has been nice and humidified, nice and seasoned for a while, a couple of weeks. So I'm going to pick about 6 cigars. These are, I can't read them, I put my glasses over there. These are really nice little cigars. I got 2 or 3 little ones and 2 or 3 big ones, but I'm going to pack a couple of these. Let's see, we're going to go for, we got to go for the Gurkhas. These are probably my favorite cigars. These will make a nice evening of sitting out by Hourglass Lake, smoking cigars. So I'll bring in a Monte Cristo and a Romeo and Julieta. That's That's 6. See, what do I have? I have Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday night. I have 7 nights. Better add 2 more. Okay, well, I just lost the Nikon. It says it's too hot. Started to run so hot that it shut down. I'm not surprised. I can feel the GoPros are running really hot. Crazy. And don't forget, masks, something very new for this trip. So we're going to put in some masks, and I'll bring my my Beauty and the Beast and my Little Mermaid hat. So that's it. I leave. I walk out of here at 5:45 tomorrow morning. It's another reason why I really prefer to take that late trip. Same thing flying back out. I need to leave very early to get the car back. I don't like that. I like taking later flights. So I'm going to walk out at 5:45 in the morning. I'm going to take you with me. So thank you for watching this one. I hope you watch the others. And that's it for me for now. I say that's it a lot. I say it like 4 or 5 times, didn't I? Ah. So let me shut this off. Solo Traveler, heading to Disney World. Out.